friends, I'm Manisha. Welcome back to my channel Yoga Raas. So today I'm here with you to share a remedy of a common problem, that is back pain, which we all face in our day-to-day lives. That includes housewives, working person, those who spend a lot of time in front of the computers, and senior citizens. So, before I start, I would like to request your full attention till the end of this session because I am going to show you some asana sequence which will greatly help you for your back pain relief. Okay, let's get started. First, lie down on your back, legs straight, hands beside your thighs and palms on the floor. From here, we are going to practice Pavan Muktasana variations. Bend your knees. Keep ensure that your entire spine on the floor. Place your palms on your knees. We are going to start with making very slow circles. Just keep breathing normally. Focus on your lower back. Now, reverse the circle. Do it for 5 to 10 rounds with normal breathing. Once you are done, hug your knees tightly. Take a deep breath in, breath out. Let's now start rolling side to side, massaging your back. Remember, be gentle with your back, no jerky movements. Breathe normally. Now, place your hands on the sides, or you can also keep it over your head. Place your foot on the mat. Now inhale while exhaling, twist on your left side. Your both knees towards the ground and neck to your opposite side. Stay for a few breaths. Again, exhale, twist on your right side. Bring your knees towards the ground and neck to the opposite side. Feel the nice twist on your spine. Relax. Keep breathing normally. Do it for 5 rounds. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist to your left side. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist to your right side. Inhale, center. Exhale to your left side. Awareness on your spine. Inhale, center. After it's over, place your foot on the mat closer to your hips. Take a hip width distance between your both legs. We'll start with Setu Bandhasan. Grab your ankles while inhaling. Lift your upper body up. Hold the position for 15 seconds and breathe normally. Awareness on your back muscles. Do not keep any tensions in your body. Breathe normally. Exhaling, slowly bring your hips down. You can practice this for 2 to 3 rounds. Straighten your legs. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Relax. Now slowly come up and come to tabletop position. We'll start with Marchari Asana. Place your palms on the ground. Inhale, Arch your back and look up. Focus on your back muscles. Exhale, hunch your back, neck down. Continue for 4 to 5 rounds. Inhale, arch your back. Exhale, hunch your back. Inhale, arch your back. Look up. Exhale, hunch your back. Neck down. Awareness on the spine. Relax. We'll move to Bakrasana. Inhale, lift your left leg up, toes pointing upwards. Exhale, knees to your forehead. Inhale, lift your leg up. Open your chest. Exhale, bring your knees towards your forehead. Continue the movement with breath. Repeat from the other side. Do it for 4 to 5 rounds on each side. Keep the awareness on your spine. Breathe normally. Relax. Slowly lengthening your spine, come to Sashankasana. From here, lie down on your belly. We are going to practice Sulabha Bhujangasana. Palms on the floor, chin on the mat. Be comfortable. From here, bring your forearms on the mat, parallel to each other, elbows on the ground, forehead on the mat. As you inhale, raise your head, shoulders and chest up. Feel the gentle compression on your lower back. Take a comfortable distance between your legs. Gaze forward. Hold the position for 30 seconds and breathe normally. Awareness on your lower back. As you exhale, place your head on the mat. Release your hand. Next, relax in Makarasana. Fold the arms in front of the head. Place the head on the arms, turning the head to the sides. Spread the legs 2 feet apart with the toes pointing outwards, heels facing each other. This asana gives extra relaxation to the back region. Focus on your lower back. Move your awareness on the whole body and breathe normally. Relax your entire spine. Slowly bring the legs together, arms on the sides of your body and chin on the mat. Now come to sitting position. Sit in any cross-leg position. We will practice Parvata Asana. Keep your spine straight. Inhale, raise your arms up, interlock your fingers. Inhaling, stretch your arms up. Exhale, relax. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, relax. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, relax. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, relax. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, relax. Repeat for 4 to 5 times. Then slowly exhale. Release your hands from the sides. We will move to the next asana, Bakrasana. Stretch your both legs forward. Bend your right leg in knee, foot on the mat. Inhaling, raise your left hand up. Grabbing your folded leg, look over your shoulder. Keep your spine straight. Hold the position for 30 seconds. Breathe normally. Focus on your active parts. Relax your back muscles. Keep your other leg straight. You can close your eyes for better awareness. Always try to keep your back straight. Do not hunch your back. Keep breathing normally. Inhale, and while exhaling, turn the neck to the front. Release your hand and straighten the leg. We will repeat the same on the opposite side. Bend your left knee. Raise your right hand, grabbing your folded leg. Look over your shoulder. Keep your back straight. Keep breathing and hold the position. Slowly exhale, turn your neck. Inhale, raise your hands. Straighten your leg and release your hands. Relax. Come to sitting position. So friends, now my important advice for all of you. Those who have regular back pain, they can practice this asana sequence for 15 minutes at home. For more such videos, please subscribe my channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.